So this is another big radio 793, and below it is 963, 793 mark, 793, 963, 953. 793 you marked, okay. 963 and 953. 963 and 957. 963 and 957. So 963 and 957. 963 and 957. This is 963 Echo and 957 is here. 957 we have done. That was Philips radio. Similarly, we are marking the capsule, the Capsora India 951, and that is 961 and 956. This is 961 and this is 956. 961 and 956. 961 done, 961 done, and 956 is done. Confirm. This line we have made. So marking now, we have 946 here, 946, and rest is 8 series. We will be continuing with 8 afterwards. 946. So we are marking the radios, those who have been kept in the shelf at top, very hard to take down. First confirming these. So 946 and 858 we are confirming now. 946 and 858. This is radio cum TV. 946 and 858. This is 946 and 858. 858. 858, 858 confirm. Now similarly confirming 857. These are radios integrated TV. See the frequency chart and the tuner. So we are confirming 857, 855 and 856. 857, 855 and 856. 857, 855 and 856. Done. We are confirming another radio. We are confirming this is 806 single radio. 806, very huge radio, very heavy. 806, 854 and 828. 806, 854 radio with TV. 806, 854 and 828. 806, 854 and 828. 806, 854 and 828. So this is 806, 854 and 828. 854 is here. 854 and 828. 854 is here and 828 is here. 828 is here. 828 confirmed. Similarly we have got 839 radio cum TV. These all have integrated radios and TV. 839, 849, 838 and 8 824. 839 we are confirming. So this is 839 done. 849. 849. 848. 849 done. 838 and 824. 838 is 838 and 824. 824 is done. Now similarly we have TV radios here again. 833, 837, 840 and 1046. 833, 837, 833, 837, 840. 833, 837, 837, 840 and 1046. 1046, 1045, 1046. Now moving on to the next lot. Bring the chair. 825 we have radio cum TV. 825, 835 and 836. Take this 825. This is 825 Craig model. 835 and 36. 835 and 36. 835 tele and radio, and 836 is JBS. Similarly we have 827, 826, 834, 1042, and this is 997 Playmate with radio. Also we have got this 862, and behind this 862 we will check it and show you the number. First marking these ones. So take this. So marking 997 first. Marking 997. This is 997 Teleran radio. Then 834. 834 is here. Marking this 834. 834 done. 1042, 826. 826 is here. Okay. Marking 826. 826 is here. 827 also. 1042. 1042 we are marking. 1042. This is 1042 marked. We will be checking the radio behind this. Pause the video now. Pause the video. Flashlight on. 814 is Musico. Perfect sound stereo system. So 814 and 31 is the model. Marking it as here confirm. 814. Now do we have radio on this also? This is 864. 864 we have got 864. as which is this radio? 814 7 6 864. So here we have got 864. 864 is JV biphonic 864. Confirming JVC it is. So confirmed 864. 810 also we have got. 810 is this. So 810 is this Sony HMK 339. 810 Sony is here. Sony HMK 339. Show this model number. Okay, 810 we are confirming in list. 810 HMK 339. Now we have got come here. Okay, pause the video. So this is 781 that we were searching. 781 should be National Panasonic. Yes, it is. RX 5230. Confirming from the list. List is National Panasonic RX 5230 781. Confirmed. Now moving on to this section now. Come here. So confirming that 1018 radio. So 1018. One 1018 radio is that. So 1019. That is 1018 RAD radio. Model number confirming from photo. This 1018 unique. Similarly 114 we are confirming with photo. 114 Telluride. Show this radio. 114. Now confirming from list. 1014 982 we are confirming. 982 and 1015. 982 we should show you which radio it is. This is Murphy A8 982. Murphy A8 982. Murphy A8 982. This is Murphy 982. This is 982 Murphy A8 982 done. 115 is this radio, so we will confirm it from list now. This is 115 Murphy Mayfair. So this radio we don't know which, no number is there, so we are not counting it. Now 116 is England radio. 116 is England radio. This is 116 England. Show the full version. Yes, 116 England. 116 confirmed. Then 120 is Semco. 120. This is 120 Mega Cycle Semco. Mega Cycle is written here. Mega Cycles Semco. SEMCO Semco. Now Victor America. We don't have number on this. Now we have got GEC England 1021. Take this. GEC England 1021. GEC England 1021. GEC England 1021. This is GEC radio 1021. Confirm. Now I think we have radio here also. We have to see does it have any sticker on it or not. So no sticker, this is will not be counted. This is 107 now. Take 107. Confirming from list 107. 1017 it is. 117. 117 is here. Confirmed. Now we have 110. Cambridge, England. Take the view. Full view. Yes. 110. Cambridge, England. Confirmed. Philips 981 we have. Philips 981. Philips 981. 981 Philips confirmed. So starting from here, 1033 another unique radio. We are confirming. 1033. 1033 Philips radio confirmed. Now these radios do not have any slip, any numbering, so we are not counting them. So this is 1039 Philips. 1039 Philips. Yeah, take full view also. 1039 Philips. 1039 Philips done. Now moving 1008 is Nikkei Jolly radio. 1008 is Nikkei model Jolly radio. Jolly 1008 Nikkei Jolly 1008. 1007 is this. That is CFNS radio. I think I have to go up and see which type of radio. Please bring a chair. 1012 we are seeing. 1012. Okay, Murphy 2. This is 1012. Murphy second. Confirming. So this was that radio 1007. This is Teleraft 1007. I am confirming. Teleraft. The photo also confirms 1007. So no sticker on this radio, so we are not taking it. Now we have got these radios. It has HMV England 1930. It has no sticker, so not counting it. Bush England 992. Take this. Bush England 992. 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 Confirmed. 996 down it. This is now 99. This is 996. This one is 996. This is Telered Carusa. 996 Telered Carusa. 996 Telered Carusa. 996. Confirm. 999 Jolly. This is 999 Jolly. This is 999. This is 999 Jolly. Confirming it. And above it is Hi-Fi Jolly 998, different one. And above this we have 989, confirming it from list. 989, 998 and 999 and this 999. So confirming all these three. 989 first. 989 is Philips. 998 is Jolly. And 999 is again Jolly second. Jolly Part 2 radio. Now we have these ones. This we have done. Moving on to the next track. come here. Starting from top, we have got this one as 988, 987 and 991. These all are unique radios. We will confirm them from list. Here also we have got 985. So confirming these four of them. Take this 988 first. 988 was Philips. Yes, confirmed. 987 Jolie, another model. 987 Jolie. And 991 is England Radio Echo. 991 National Echo EK. These are big radios, so they are different. Company name may be same, but they are different in shape and size. And model number are not given generally. Those radios which have wooden bodies, those model numbers are not present generally. 985, but we have just one individual piece of each model number, each type of radio. 985 is Telerad. Okay, take this. 985 is Telerad. 985 Telerad is confirmed. Now moving from this radio belongs to Holland. We have not numbered it. 1006 is Kansel, Germany. So confirming this 1006. So this is 1006 Kansel, Germany. 1006 is Kansel, Germany. 1006. This is Marconi phone. England is 1000 radio. Marconi phone England is 1000 radio. Take view from back of this radio. 1001 is Marconi phone England. Now we have 984 and 1022. 985 and 1022. So here we have got 984. 984 we have got, and 1022 is here. 1022 confirm. Behind this 1022 we have got 805 solid state national, confirming it from list. 805 solid state national, confirming from list. 805 solid state national. 805 should be here. Yes, this is 805 national solid state. Behind this also we have got some radio which we left. Continue the video. But behind this we have got radios. We didn't cover. This is 1040. Okay. Next you have to videograph 1040 and this is 1036. 1040 and 1036 we will be confirming list. 1040 and 1036. So this is 1040, 1036, 1040 and 1036. This is 1040, 1040, 1036 we have confirmed. So behind this we have radio. No, this whole rack is done. So moving on to the next one. Next one is here. Come now. This is 985 we have done. Invicta 1043. Videograph it. Invicta 1043. 1043 Invicta. 1043 Invicta. 1043 Invicta done. Echo England we already done. No. National Echo England 1002. Take from back. 1002 is Echo England. Echo England 1002. 1002 Echo National Echo England. Now we have got Philips 1003. This is Philips 103. We have already confirmed it. This one we don't have that sticker on it. These all we have covered already. Show these radios with wide lens. Go there and show this with wide lens. These all radios we have already covered. Moving on to the next section, inside some radios are kept. I think we have covered all the radios here. Only these are remaining. These have to be numbered and then have to be counted. These are remaining ones. Okay, come now. Come inside. Here we have got 902 and rest of the radios. So these are even more bigger. You can't handle them single-handedly. They have to be videographed just at the place they are. So 440 we already took. 902 we have to confirm. 902 in list. Show the list now. Take the video from behind. Show the full radio. 902. is here on the list. Show the list now. 902. We have done. 903, this one rising. 903 in list confirmed, rising. Now we will see whether they are being numbered or not. 899. Here we have got 899. BPL, World Space Satellite Radio. Yes, it is satellite radio. Diva second. 899 done. 905 Beltec. 905 in list also confirmed. Beltec. 859 Hitachi. They are TV radios. 859 Hitachi here. We have confirmed. 860 Unisonic TV radio. So 860 Unisonic confirmed. 198 is already. This is 861. This is 861 written downside. This is kept downside. 861 is confirmed. Here in list also. In list we have confirmed 861. 906 is Akai. So this is 906. 906 Akai. So 95 we have done. 906 Akai. In list we have confirmed 906. 904 also Philips 811 we are confirming. 904 in list we are confirming. Now we have 918 tape 2. 918 is this. 918 is this confirmed. 915 is twin, sharp twin, confirming this 915. This is here in list, sharp twin 9 confirmed. So 915 up to 915 we have done. Now come now 859 we have done. This is just a speaker and not a radio. So we have done. Moving on to the next now. Next row. Here we have got 868. Here we have got 868. 868. This is 868 and 873. 868, 873, 865 here, and not right. 865 Talvan. This is 901 is piano radio we have got. You can see the frequency chart here. 901 is piano radio. 1027 again Philips radio. 1027 Philips radio. And this one is another piano radio with FM, but we have not numbered it. We will be giving a number to it soon. National Echo is 1023 is kept here. We have got 9110 also here, and 869 here, and another radio with this has not been numbered. Take it out. Silicone. This is also not numbered. We have to take it out. See. So done with these radios. We will confirming them in list. जब से बनी है ना वीडियो, जब से बनी है ना वीडियो 871 डन. लाल सिग्नल था कि नहीं ऊपर था, अभी गया है. Okay. This is the 800th radio. We are confirming it. Murphy surround, continuous, very huge radio. Confirming it from photo. 800 radio. 800 confirm. Now coming on to this side. This is 863 radio. Ambience 863 confirming from photo. Unique 863. 863 is metal ambience. BX 5150. 863 done in the list. 863. We have Sony radio here, but I think no number are here. Numbers are not there. We have to see whether let us check them. Let us check them for number. No number. We will put number there on them while finalizing the counting. This is 448 already done. This is also a TV radio, but no number is there. So let us check. I think we must stop the video now because these are not numbered. Stop the video. We have got this 808. This is Sony radio. You can see the frequency chart here, and its model name is 808 is Sony HMK 419. So this is confirmed. So now come here. This is also a radio. We have to see the number. So right now we have more radios here. This is radio studio. This is 819 radio studio. Focus the model number. So this is the biggest radio, 1 meter. Take full video of this radio. 819 confirming in the list now. This is 819 confirmed. Now we have got this 817 Grundig, Germany. 817 Grundig, Germany. Okay, 817 I am confirming. 817 list. Grundig first. Now this one we have got 818. Again a big radio. 818 Grundig second. These all are unique in their performance and in their design and in model. Now we have 821 Nobino India radio studio. 821 in list I am confirming. 821 here. 821 confirmed. Similarly we have more radios. I am taking out radios from here. This is 820. Mark the video. This is 820. Yeah. So yeah, this way. Yes. 820 Murphy wooden box big radio. 820 we have done. So we will be checking more radios now. Pause the video. 45 confirming in the list. 945 unique radio. This is Moha. Yeah, Moha is MOHA and Moha is written here. MOHA Asia T2. This is a radio. MW SW band are there. So this is a now we have 951S. This is submarine radio. 951 radios used in submarine. 951 radio confirming in list. 951 done. Okay, 951 done. So now searching for more radios. We have this as 938 is T series. Confirming this. 938. 937 we have got Panasonic RX ED77. 937 confirmed. Okay. 940 we have got this 730 is done. We have all 9 series radios here like this. This is 939. This is 940. Confirming this 939 and 940. 939 and 940. So come to the list now. Coming to the list now. Show the list now. 939 and 940. 939 confirming. 940 confirming. 939 done. 940 done. 929 is another radio. 929 done. Now taking these out. These all are 9 series. 946. This is 920 and 928. So here we have got a list. 946, 920, 940, 928. 928 here I have 928, 946. This one 940, 946. This was 920 and 928. 920 and 928. 920 we have done. 928 is done. Now we have got these radios 931, 919, 919, 919 and 931, 919, 931, and this one is 930. Okay, 919, 931 and 930. So we are confirming these. 919, 930, 931 and 930. So these are 931 and 930 confirmed in list. Binaton and Sony radio 930. Now confirming these ones. 925, 925, 925, Naiva radio 925, and this is, now we have 925, 934 is here, 927 is here, and 926 is here. Take it. 925. In list we have 925, 925, 934, and this is 926. 926. These are done. So moving on with these ones. Now this is 922. 922 unique radio. We have got 924, 924, 922. Make a video of it. 922, 922. Felix. 922 done. 924 done, and 933 done. So in list 922, 924 and 933 done. Now we have this as 932, 921 and 923. 932, 921. Here we have got 932. In list I got 932, 921. Yes, 921 and 923. 923. So now we have got here 936 as radio, cellular radio. This is the frequency chart. 936, and moving in the list. 936 cellular done. 938 we have done already. MC 3000 CDR. Yes, T-Sonius. So this 9 series radios have been done, which are kept here. We have to see more. 940, 941 and all. Searching for more radios above 998 series. So pause the video now. So now these are some of the unique radios we have got. These are the radios in suitcases, and we have numbered them here as 811, 813. We will be opening them and showing you whether they actually consist radios or not. So these all are radios in suitcases. These all yet to be numbered. These all to be numbered. A lot more remaining. These all to be numbered. Those remaining to be counted. So many radios still remaining. The attempt is still going on. is all to be counted. This all we have done. These big radios we have done already. This also we have done. So moving on to the radios in suitcases now. We will be opening them and showing you whether they actually consist radios or not. Come, hold this camera. I will be opening them and showing. 812 confirming. Confirming 812 now. This is how it opens, and this is a gramophone from radio 812. This is the radio frequency chart, radio frequency tuner, and this is from Sanyo company. I will be confirming the model number from list, bring list. So 812 is done. Confirming the model number all together. 812 is done. So put it there. 812 done. Now it is time for 941. 941 to open. Opening 941. This is a stereo cum radio. 941. This is the radio tuner. Radio. It is also written here radio. So confirming the crown. The name is crown coder. I will be confirming the model from list. So just 941 is the number assigned. Just this is important. The model. Okay. Just put it back. 941. Now it's time for another 1047. 1047. Another suitcase radio. 1047. Open it. Yeah. This is again a gramophone cum radio. Hold it properly. Okay. This is national. This is a national company. Stereophonic 3-band super radio. Also it consists. This is the radio tuner, and this Orbicon is gramophone record. Yeah. So this is 1047. Confirm. Closing it. Close it properly. Just fix it from back first and then close it. You have to fix the back first. Fix the back. Yeah, this is fixed. Close it now. We have to push it first, fixing it and then pushing it down. Then it is said to be been closed. Yes. Yeah. Now it is done. Open this 813. This is 813. Yes, good. Open them slowly open. 813 National Panasonic. We will be providing the model name from the list. So this is a unique radio, unique model. So close it now. 813. Done. Confirm. Now you done. Okay. Open 811. Yes, this is Sanyo company radio cum gramophone recorder. So this is the FM here, FM SWMW radio Sanyo. Model number we will be providing from list. Now close it. Sanyo 811. Okay, put it on back. So we are confirming the model number now from list. Where is the list? Bring the list now. Where is it? No, this is not the list. list after 800 pages. Tell me the numbers, which all numbers are there, which all numbers were there. 800, which all, tell openly. 812, then
941.
wait, 812 we will be confirming. Yeah, this is 812. 812 was Sanyo stereo music, then
941.
941, confirming 941. Confirming 941. Crown coder shape RD504.
1047.
1047. 1047. 1047 was Sony FX414BE. Next
813.
813. 813. 813 was National SD 180. Done. 811. So 811 was Sanyo G26159. Done. Okay. Searching for more radios now. Again pausing it. This is 815 stereophonic. Make a proper video of full radio. Yeah, 815 Cambridge stereophonic. I am confirming. I will see whether this is this is a radio, but I think not numbered. So we will be numbering it later on. Other 8 series radios we have got here. 845. These are all TV radios. So we are confirming 845, 841, 846 and 832. So like this in sequence we have 845 confirming, 841 confirming, 846 confirming, 832 I am confirming. Yeah, this here 832 confirming. 1 2 3 4 radios we confirm. Similarly we have got these 842, 847, 842, 842, 847, 848, yes 848, 843, here 843, 843 in list now, 843 in list confirm, 844 Western, 844 in list now, 844 Western confirm, 850 Reflex, 850 in list now. We should have Reflex written here. Yes, it is 850 Reflex. Similarly we have got 831 unique radio. This is AM FM shower radio, it is called. 831 is the number. So shower radio 831. 831 on previous page we have got 831. 831, this is shower radio. 831 Con Air. Con Air is written behind. So this is Con Air shower radio. Shower radio 831 confirm. Another one we have got 830 number on Boards Johnson HS912R. 830. What was it? 830. So 830 we are making it Johnson HS2R. Another 829 Sonilex SL408 FM. 829 Sonilex SL408 FM. So these 800 series kept here has been completed. Those 800 are being kept here. These have been already completed by us. Those are also 800 series, 840, 849 etc. Those have been already done. 854 and all 856. Have we done 857, 855, 856? Keep it. Let me check. 857, 855 we have done or not. 857, 855. Yes, we have done already. Those are done. 857, 855. So 8 series also we have completed. You will see more radios of 8 series now. These are all 9 series. So 8 series radios are done, mostly done. So we have more. These radios are kept here of 8 series. 802 from 801 to 804 they are here. So we will be confirming them. 801 to 804. So this is, pause the video, I will be opening this. 804 we are going to confirm, and it is a radio. The frequency chart is given here. We will confirming the model from list, and these are not numbers, these are not radios. I think 804 is only the radio. 801, 802 and 803. 801 we can clearly see. So frequency chart is there, national radio. Confirming the model from the list. 801 is done. 802 similarly the frequency chart is here. It is a radio, and we will be confirming the model from list. 803, these are really very bulky ones, so we are not taking them out. 803 is Philips, and we will confirming the model from list. So these are 3 radios we have got here. 801, 2, 3 and 4 we will confirm from list. So show me the list now. 801, 2, 3, 4. 801, 2, 3, 4. 801, 2, 3, 4. This is 801, 2, 3, 4 we have done. So these 8 series radios have been completed, from which were kept here. We will search for more 8 series radios if they are somewhere being kept, and make the video evidence of them. So now pause the video and